All right, let's talk about sorting data. So here we have this order by method that I briefly mentioned before. Using this method, we can sort the result by one or more fields. For example, here we can get all the products and sort them by their title in ascending order. Take a look. So save and refresh. There you go. So all the products are now sorted in alphabetical order. Beautiful. Now let's look at the SQL tab. So here's our query. Now with this implementation, we have an order by clause for sorting the products by their title in ascending order. If you want to change the sort direction, we simply add a negative sign here. Now we can also sort by multiple fields. For example, we can sort by unit price in ascending order and then by title in descending order. So with this implementation, we're going to sort our products from the cheapest to most expensive ones. And if we have multiple products with the exact same price, within that group, our products are going to be sorted by their title in descending order. Okay? Now, the order by method returns a query set object, and one of the methods of query sets is reverse. So if we call the reverse method here, this will reverse the direction of the sort. So with this implementation, we're going to sort the products by unit price in descending order and then by title in ascending order. Now we can also call the order by method after filtering data because the filter method returns a query set object and order by is one of the methods of query set objects. So here on query set API reference, over here, you can see all the methods of query set objects. So we have filter, exclude, order by, and so on. So as an example, we can filter all our products to get products in collection 1 and then sort them by their unit price. Pretty straightforward. Now, sometimes we want to sort the result and pick only the first object. So let's remove the filter method here. We're simply sorting our products by their unit price and then we're going to pick the first product. So with this implementation, we're not going to get a query set because we're accessing an individual element. So up to this point, when we call the order by method, we get a query set object, but the moment we access an individual element in this query set, the query set gets evaluated and then we get an actual object. So we should rename this variable to product. And of course, we need to make a change here because we're not going to convert this to a list. So instead of products, we're going to pass product to our context. And of course, we need to change our template to accommodate this, but let's not worry about that in this video. What I want to show you instead is a convenience method called earliest. So another way to rewrite the same query is like this. Instead of order by, we can call the earliest method to sort the result by unit price and get the first object. So with the second implementation, we're not going to access an individual element because the earliest method returns an object. In contrast, order by returns a query set. Now, similarly, we have another method called latest, which sorts the products by unit price in descending order, and then it will return the first object. Okay? So this is all about sorting data. Next, we're going to talk about limiting results.